Alright guys, so next video gonna be the ZL1 Addons rear diffuser. So it's gonna go down here. Fuck, I think it goes like that. I don't fucking know. But yeah, one mistake I did when I ordered this shit.
Speak up.
One mistake I did when you ordered it, you gotta get your car up and check the rear threads. Make sure it's threaded or non-threaded, because if you don't, then you gotta go buy a fucking whatever the gun. Hey Gabe, what's that gun called? A riv nut tool. And then you know, you gotta put rivets in there and shit so it holds on. My shit, I thought it was threaded because I felt it from the outside and I felt a little dip, but it wasn't threaded after all, so it delayed the process like a month. But today it's gonna go on. We're gonna see how it goes. But yeah, this is the ZL1 add-on, the rear diffuser for 2017 Dodge Charger Scat Pack.
Gabe, what are you doing?
So I'm just putting in these rib nuts that we needed last time, but because Gordy thought that we had a threaded cross member, he ordered accordingly. I mean, he felt grooves in here and he figured they were threads. And when I felt it, it did feel like it too, until I actually got underneath it. So when you guys call to order your rear diffuser, these holes right here, there's two of them, one here, one here. Make sure that you actually get down in there and look to see if they're threaded or not, and if not, you're gonna need these right up in there.
Ooh, this camera shot. Getting it.
Nice. Yep, so.
I told you there was hella rocks.
What the fuck?
What the hell?
Oh, that's how you backed up into the thing. The first day you took the car home when you parked in reverse.
There's even glass in there. You see that?
Where?
Right there.
You recorded it?
Yes.
What the fuck?
That's some fucking road debris, dude.
Shit was like 10 pounds in here weighing my ass down, bro.
What the hell?
The fuck? Pretty much line it up and screw shit in now, so it's not that hard. It should be common sense, but I'm just down here holding it up for him. So we're right here, tighten up the screws right here in the bracket, tighten up the 4 screws here, or 2 screws, and you got a washer and nut right here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We're done now.
Oh baby, shaka on the beat. Oh baby, shaka on the beat. Shaka on the beat. Shaka on the beat.
guys, so the car is officially done cosmetically. We still haven't got into performance, but that's next. Thanks to my cousin. Thank him for helping me do all this shit, or I would have to pay somebody labor and it would be extremely expensive. But here's the car, it's finally done. Shout out to my cousin Gabe, I can't stress it anymore. He helped me out a lot. It's looking beautiful. And what's your shirt on?
I got mine already. I tucked it away.
He got his
I'm
shirt.
trying to get it all dirty.
I got some little merch that's gonna go around. Custom shirts from my fiance that she's making and stuff, starting her own little business. So go ahead and check out her page for decals, anything shirt related. But it's pretty much $3.92 Hemi, and then boom, my YouTube in the back. These are probably gonna go out for like $25 a pop, or you could get a custom shirt of your liking. Just hit her up in the DM. She'll take care of you and fix you up. But I'm gonna let my cousin Gabe just speak on. This is technically his car too. He did all the shit to it, so it's like his car. I should get him for half the note on this motherfucker.
It's cool. I'll just drive it and beat it to death like it's supposed to be. Now, well, it was fun. It was a good project. I learned a whole lot. So hit me up if you guys want any of your installed body panels or anything. Let me know. I can do brakes, performance stuff, anything I can pretty much do. So hit me up. Let me know. Anything you guys need.
As she said, you heard him say it. It's been finesse. I don't know when the next video will be. Maybe the cruise at the end of the month. Shit. But my pockets are tied up. See you guys in the next one. Peace.